Hi guys, welcome to the Simplify LLC channel. In this video, we will talk about how to start an LLC in Texas. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to be notified when a new video appears. In one of our last videos, we talked about what an LLC is, its benefits and disadvantages. I'll leave you the link in the description below so you can take a look at it. So let's get into the process of starting an LLC in the state of Texas. Forming an LLC is the best way to kick your business off. It's easy and pretty quick. It's also a cost-effective structure for those businesses that are small to medium-sized. An LLC offers limited personal liability for you as the owner by protecting your assets if your company faces legal or financial difficulties. Your LLC would also avoid double taxation with pass-through taxation. The first step is deciding a name for your LLC. The name registration application is the first thing you'll need to file with the Secretary of State as you form your company. Make sure you choose something your clients will recognize and set you apart from other businesses. There are some requirements you must follow. Your LLC name must contain the phrase limited liability company or limited company or LLC, not be a name that can be confused with a governmental agency like the IRS or Homeland Security, be approved to use certain words. For example, if you're using the words college or university, it must be approved by the Texas Higher Education Coordinating Board. Be translated if you need it to be. Foreign words won't be translated, and not contain any offensive words. When you decide on a name, make sure the name is available by running a name search with the Texas Controller. Then check to make sure the domain name is also available. Once you see that it's available, you can reserve it for 120 days while running through the other steps to form your LLC. Next, you'll determine who your registered agent will be. The state requires it. The registered agent will receive all of your necessary tax and legal communications for the business. The registered agent needs to be a Texas resident, or it must be a business licensed to transact business in Texas and have a physical address. This can be you, an employee, or a professional service. There must be a Form 401A filed to show that they consent to be your LLC's registered agent. The third step is to file your Texas LLC Certificate of Formation, Form 205. This provides all the details the SOS needs about your company. It lists the name, physical address, registered agent, members or owners and their addresses, and the purpose of your business. After your certificate of formation has been received by the Secretary of State, it will take up to 5 days to process it if you have filed it electronically. If you've used snail mail, it will take a little over a month. When you receive your stamped copy, you know you've been approved, your LLC is official, and you're approved to operate in Texas. Now, there is a bit more work to do. Next, you'll get an employer identification number from the Internal Revenue Service, or IRS. It's like a social security number for your business. You'll need that to report your federal taxes. You'll also list it on your business's tax returns and pay employment taxes for employees. Now, if you're the only member of your LLC, you don't need the EIN because, as far as the IRS is concerned, you and the business are the same taxpayers. So you'll just use your SSN for filing your federal taxes. The IRS has a free internet EIN application or use Form SS4, but it does help to have it when you open your business bank account. Also, it will protect your SSN from appearing on business documents. Fifth, you'll prepare your LLC operating agreement if you choose to. Texas doesn't require it, but if there is more than one member, it clears everything up. On the operating agreement, you'll list the rules, regulations, and procedures for the operation and management of the business. It will detail who makes decisions, how disagreements will be handled, separation from the business, and bringing on other members. Then, you'll need to get a business banking account for your LLC. Before choosing a bank, find out the monthly fees, wire transfer and overdraft fees, minimum balances and deposits, and interest rates. Then, you'll open your Texas business bank account. This is important because it keeps your record keeping simple, helps with preparing taxes, helps you avoid mixing funds, and protects your personal liability protection. So, you're set. But let's talk about taxes. In Texas, you will have to pay federal taxes. You won't pay tax on the profits because an LLC enjoys pass-through taxation. You'll just pay your personal income tax. You'll also pay federal payroll taxes like FICA and unemployment tax if you have employees. There are also 2 state taxes in Texas, franchise and sales taxes. Most LLCs will pay those. Now, Texas's permits and licenses aren't generally required unless you operate a particular type of business. And we cover this topic thoroughly on our website, so go check it out, SimplifyLLC.com. Well, that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Feel free to write in the comments if you have any further questions. We will see you next time.